I am enjoying it. I like it. It is kind of like. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore another. Oops. Anyhow, another scent from Kashti, which is Ocean of Scents, natural attars and perfumes from India. The artist is Devyam Travedi, and thanks for sending me all these. Today we are going to test and review Plumeria Musk. I think Plumeria is a floral, so let's test this out. I really love musk. Yes, I think it is very piercing on the top. Let's try to apply it. I mostly don't like florals, so I'm going to apply it on my wrist over here because I have already applied few others on my hand. Oh, this is very different. Oh, on the top it was different. Now on my skin it is totally different. I am enjoying it. I like it. It is kind of like metal that is not cold and that is not even hot. Light metallic, something floral, light metallic, mesmerizing, captivating, and this is really good. I'm not sure it has iris or something, but this is a very lovely use of floral with musk. This is very different. I haven't sniffed something similar to this before. This is really captivating. A scent that has light metallic, floral, metallic means it is not cold kind of metallic, because most of the metallic perfumes, they are, they have some cold kind of or maybe gourmandish kind of tint to them, but this one is floral. This is really good. Oh, I am loving sniffing it. This is really good. There is musk, there is some animalics which are really good over here. This is going to my second favorite. So Gardenia musk and this one, they are really good. This is Plumeria musk. This is really good. I am what can I say? This is a masterpiece. Even I am enjoying it more than Gardenia musk. There is some animalic that is actually interacting and playing with the florals over here, and this game of hide and seek is really awesome. So animalics and florals, they are playing very lovely with each other together. So this is what I'm getting. Yes, this is really lovely. So I'm going to rate now Plumeria Musk from Kashti Fragrances, and I think I'm going to rate it at least 9 out of 10 for scent profile. And for performance, I would rate it, I think there is iris over here in this. I have sniffed the natural iris grains, and they have that kind of smell, but iris has been mixed with other ingredients. Very good. I'm not sure whether it's iris or maybe Plumeria floral, which is similar to me for the iris effect. It is really different. So although when the florals are high, I might get a headache, but this one is good one. This is really good combination, and I would rate it 9 out of 10 for scent profile. Now I'm sensing more floral kind of vibe to it, so I would give it like 8 out of 10, because when you go very close to it, it has a punchy floral now. In the start, it was very good. It has some animalic undertones. So 8 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance, I would give it 8 out of 10 because I think it is going to be powerful. It has some punch and power to it. So this is my review about Plumeria Musk. I hope to see you soon in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.